Meet the all-new Roku Premiere Plus. It makes HD, 4K, and HDR streaming easy. An enhanced voice remote, including TV power and volume buttons, means no more juggling remotes.
Show me dramas.
Use your voice to search for your favorite shows or actors. Enjoy it all in stunning 4K and brilliant HDR color. There's a Roku player just for you. And every one comes with a simple and intuitive home screen, more than 500,000 movies and TV episodes, including free movies and TV shows on the Roku channel. The fastest way to find your favorites by title, actor, or director with Roku Search. And the free Roku mobile app to make your iOS or Android device the ultimate streaming companion. The Roku lineup. Roku. Happy streaming.
It's time to start reimagining TV. Introducing Fire TV Cube, the first all-in-one streaming media player with hands-free Alexa built in. Now it's easy to do things like this.
Alexa, turn on the TV.
Fire TV Cube can hear you from across the room.
Alexa, play Sneaky Pete.
And with infrared technology, it's easier to control your entertainment hands-free.
Alexa, switch to cable.
Wait, what time was the game?
Alexa, tune to Fox.
We've partnered with Netflix, ESPN, Hulu, and others to let you do more simply by using your voice.
Alexa, rewind 30 seconds.
Alexa, next episode.
Plus, Fire TV Cube is always getting smarter.
Alexa, show my flash briefing.
So now it's easier to get more out of the biggest screen in your house.
Alexa, show me nearby restaurants.
Even when your TV is off, Alexa is ready to help.
Alexa, add Pinot Noir to my shopping list.
Okay, I've added it to your list.
And of course, you can still enjoy all the content you love.
Alexa, search for action movies. Yes!
From HBO, Netflix, Hulu, Prime Video, and more. Fire TV Cube. Let's start reimagining TV.
Introducing Roku Express. Fast, high-definition streaming made easy. Featuring a new compact design. Setup is a cinch with the included HDMI cable. You can even attach it to your TV. It's perfect for first-time streamers and great for secondary TVs. Use the simple remote to control your player. Easily find free TV, live news, sports, movies, and premium subscriptions, all on the Roku channel. Your home for free and premium TV. Search across top streaming channels and see your results ranked by price.
I can teach you to be Spider-Man.
Roku Express is high-definition streaming made easy for everyone in the house. And it makes an amazing gift. There's a Roku player for everyone. Choose the player that's right for you. Introducing Roku Ultra, our ultimate streaming player. Setup is a cinch. Easily connect with wireless or Ethernet. Enjoy brilliant HD and 4K picture quality, plus vivid HDR color. Get to your entertainment faster than ever with new fast channel launch. The enhanced voice remote has everything you need, including new shortcut buttons you can personalize, and buttons for TV power, volume, and mute. Easily find free TV, live news, sports, movies, and premium subscriptions, all on the Roku channel. Your home for free and premium TV.
Find action movies.
Search across top streaming channels with your voice and see your results ranked by price. Then sit back and enjoy our ultimate streaming experience. There's even a lost remote finder to help you locate your misplaced remote, no matter who gets their paws on it. Use the included premium JBL headphones to enjoy your shows without disturbing others. With smooth streaming, brilliant picture quality, and our best wireless performance, Roku Ultra is great for people who love to stream. There's a Roku player for everyone.